Oh, just replaced this bleed air duct. Yeah, you can see the new one here. It's brand new, yellow color, versus some of the older ones that are discolored, but this had a leak on it. So this runs from the engine bleed air up into the cabin here. So it wasn't easy exactly. We had to take all these ducts out in order to slide this guy in. Yeah, this guy isn't a walk in the park to change. As you can see here, this is where the there's a little micro pinhole somewhere in here, and that's blew the insulation off and tripped the bleed leak warning in the cockpit. And that wraps up another episode of things you probably didn't need to know but are probably cool.